XRP is ripping to the upside as two ETFs go live on the New York Stock Exchange today. In this video, I'm going to go over what might be next. Some of the AI coins are looking like they have some pretty nice setups. And where's Bitcoin heading? All that in this video. First, please, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Share with a friend who might need to see this or a family member. Let's go ahead and get started here. We're going to start with Bitcoin. $88,000 today. What are we seeing in the charts here? It's been a pretty nice bounce from the weekend, but we are still sitting below this line of resistance, which used to be support. That's the only thing that's kind of scary with Bitcoin right now. You see everybody saying that, the low is in, that it's about to rip to the upside. Tom Lee's saying it. Raoul Paul's saying it. You just saw Grant Cardone, the real estate king, I guess you could call him. He just closed out his JP Morgan Chase bank account because of the fraud and the Epstein list allegations, and put it all into Bitcoin apparently. So is this what we're seeing right here, this megaphone pattern? Is this a fake out to the downside where it's just going to rip right over that line of resistance and flip it back into support, and then we're off to the races again, back up to, I don't know, 130 plus? We'll see. The stochastic RSI looks good. We had a full reset at 0 down here, and now it's trending up. We also see the RSI. You got this this red colored in here. You got this red in here, which means it's extremely oversold. And the RSI is heading to the upside. So this, I would be at a wait and see approach. I would not be trading this. But this gets back over that line. It could rip to the upside. You might find yourself in a nice long position. If it bounces off that blue line I have there and starts trending down, now we're entering short. We'll see what happens. Now, on to the giant of the day, up 10%. You had Franklin Templeton and Grayscale's XRP ETFs both go live today. And they both are performing extremely well. I actually put a trade in on this yesterday and wrote it up to about $2.19 today and closed it out. I thought it was going to stall out, but it's just continuing to rip. I took profit, took a 25-30% win. Hey, doubles and singles are never a bad idea. You're not always going to hit a home run. So with all that being said, look at the daily here. Everything is looking good. We bounced right off that line of resistance. The stochastic RSI heading in the right direction on the daily. The RSI itself looking really good on the daily. Let's see what it looks like on the weekly here. Again, heading in the right direction. Stochastic reversing to the upside after a full reset down to 0. The RSI heading up. Things are looking really good, really bullish in my opinion. A bit overbought on the 4-hour. That's all right. Pretty overbought on the 1-hour too. The RSI showing that green over the 70 line there. I mean, it still has room to run, but it could also consolidate or even pull back a little bit. So this is something that I would not be trading right now. I would wait for a little bit of a cool off period or consolidation. As you can see, it was extremely overbought here on the RSI for a while and the 5-minute chart, but that's shouldn't really be looking at 5-minute charts unless you are day trading, which I do a little bit of that. So now I also saw today that Near Protocol was starting to wake up again. Let's look at this on the daily, because this thing was looking pretty nice. Yeah, all of a sudden, just boom, right off $1.80 up to $1.96. I also am in an active trade on this right now. The daily stochastic looks like it wants to head to the upside. Full reset. RSI head to the upside. Looks good. 4 hour, little overbought. This is something here I would be keeping my eye on. Near protocol. Like I said, this is showing signs of life again, and last time we had a nice run on this. If it were me, I would also be keeping my eye on ICP. I also have a trade in on this currently. On the daily, looks like it wants to head to the upside. Let's check it out on the 1 hour. Yeah, not a whole lot of strength or signs of life in it yet, but as we saw a couple weeks ago, when the AI coins get running, they run hard. With all that being said, the one area that the one coin that I am buying is virtuals. This is, in my opinion, this is the best looking chart in crypto right now. It's broken out of that resistance and it's flipped it into support. I don't know anything else that is sitting out of a breakout zone other than virtuals. I'm sure they're out there, but virtuals and Tau are the two that look the best to me right now. This is not financial advice. This is what I would do and what I am doing. I am buying as much virtual as I can right now. This looks like it is about to rip to the upside. And if you look at these fibs, 244 is the previous high on the last little run, but you go all the way back to January and December, it's over $5. I think we easily get to that in an alt season, if not $10 plus. And with all that being said, guys, that's all I got for today. Like and subscribe. Share this with a friend or family member. Good luck. God bless. See you in the next one.